Today we got a video from Body Cam Boss, and the title of the video is "She Stole from Target 22 Times, Then Got the Best Karma."
December 12th, 2025, officers responded to Target for a call of a woman caught stealing on 22 different occasions.
Police,
How does it even get that high? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Game time. Oh, got her together. Woo. Woo. Ooh, got her together. Hold on now. Where you thought you was going? Hold up now. You know cops don't like to run, boy. They gonna get you together.
Police, stop. Don't you
hold up.
Run.
Like Spider-Man. Bow. Oh.
Put your hands behind your back. Behind your back. Somebody cover.
Caught you with that web.
What did I do?
Stop resisting.
What did I do?
Stop resisting.
I'm not even resisting.
Bullshit.
Those doors don't open fast enough.
Wall is squeaking. I just went through the whole car. Check my receipt. Ain't nothing in my purse, nothing.
It's
all y'all to do that.
Goodbye.
Could I get my hat?
No. Hang on.
My fucking ears.
Right there. Grab that. Throw the vape in here. Throw the vape in there. Grab the barbs.
You have a glove on you?
Did y'all get my receipt?
You'll make sure did you
This here?
Yeah, I got two of them. I went to the line.
Yeah, you'll grab them.
Okay, thank you.
Did you get shocked?
Yes, I did.
All right. All right.
Good.
So what did y'all send me put in my purse or something? What is the problem?
There's going to be 22 cases of retail theft.
Not me.
That's not what the video shows.
What video? That's not me. You said 22 cases. Of what? Who retail theft? 22 cases of what?
Retail theft. Stealing. 22 cases of stealing.
Why is it saying cases? Cases of what?
22 different incidents.
No, not me.
Well,
Yeah, he said interesting. Y'all got the wrong person. You not even know who you talking to. No, you don't.
Okay.
Come on, 22 cases. Y'all be getting the wrong people thinking y'all got somebody. Y'all go. Come on, 22 cases. That's not me. Y'all talking about.
why did you run?
Huh?
Why'd you run?
Y'all scared me. Why y'all all came out like 10 deep?
That's all stolen?
No, that's
All right.
not all stolen. Tweety scanned that. She scanned it.
No, she did not.
I went through the line. What you mean she ain't scanned it?
All right, real quick, I'm sorry, Mark. Just go ahead, please.
No, look at my leg.
Why did you get taken?
I don't know, because it was 10 of them. It was 10 of them chasing me. I'm like, what?
Four. Why did you run?
Because they were 10 people. I'm like, what's going on? No, I didn't know who they were talking to.
Yo, police, stop.
My bad.
Okay. So what was the lesson today? You don't run? Just police that you stopped? All right, cool. You okay?
Yeah, I can go with it. These act like they got it. Look, to my 22 cases. Y'all done lost it. Y'all got the wrong person. So she ain't scanning all that stuff in there. I went through the line. If I was going to take, I wouldn't be stealing through the thing.
That's all. So you just, she ran.
Yep, police, stop. Kept running. Tase.
Did you feel the taste?
She told me she felt something.
Somehow they all fell out when you hit the ground.
Yeah, like how everybody else fault.
Still locked up, though.
Huh? Why you gotta be an ass? I'm not being an ass.
I'm not. I'm
You're
saying
running
your
pretty fast. I'll give you that.
your leg locked up, didn't it? Did your leg lock up? Your muscles lock up? Yeah, that's what it does.
That down for me?
Yeah.
Where is the 22 cases at? You wanna know what that is? Why are you looking at my medicine?
Because there's no label on this at all.
That's because I had it for a long time.
You still this?
No. Sorry.
What car did you come in? What car did you come in?
My cousin bought me.
Your cousin's out in the car?
No, she don't have me.
Where's your cousin
Yeah, but
at?
not out there now.
No, she left.
Yeah, well, yeah.
So where were you going with your cart when you left the store?
I was waiting on her.
You was
I
gonna.
wasn't stealing. That's what I'm saying. She ain't scared all that stuff in that car. I gave her my whole cart. That's what I'm saying. Look at the cameras. I went through the line.
I gotcha.
She talking about 22 cases. 22 cases of what?
Hey, just heads up, they have a lot of cameras at this place.
Oh, that's what they mean, like 22 cameras.
No, they got like probably about 1,000 cameras, but they have 22 cases of you stealing between here and East Peoria.
Was it my
Girl, these
is it my
cameras
sister?
are good. Are you twins?
I do have a twin. Shayla, I'm just gonna say that. I do have a twin.
What's your name?
Shayla,
What's your date of birth?
12.
You don't even know your date of birth.
No, you said my date of birth?
No, I said
Her date of birth is
well,
12.
twins is
If you're twins, you're born on, you got the same birth date, dummy. Come on, man. You can't even lie right.
the same day.
What?
Twins are the same day.
You said my date of birth?
No.
Were
So
you and
you're
your
a
sister
twin?
born on the same day?
Yeah, 11.
That's both of your
She was
birthdays.
born in
Yes.
December. You said
I
she
thought you said what's today's date?
What's today's date? Why would I ask that?
Today's-
Y'all better make sure it's me. Y'all better make sure it's me. Because it's going to be a serious thing. When we both got the red and what?
Shut down.
Can I call somebody real quick for my kids?
Where's your kids at?
Yeah, at the house.
Is that why you're taking this shit?
I wasn't taking it. She didn't scare that. She had my whole card. Look at the camera.
Just her the whole time. Is it just her the whole time or something else?
It's just me all the time. What? It's just me all the time. So it ain't my sister. You know my sister.
You do know they have on camera.
Do he not know? So he don't know. Bro, can I call my
These guys are actually really good at what they do, so kind of gotta believe them.
Okay, can I call my
Where's your phone?
right there? Please.
Target had some of the best security systems.
Can I call my please?
Call your kids?
Yes, sir.
What do you gotta tell them?
I got a tip.
Are you going to jail?
Yeah.
All right. Which one's yours? Both of them?
Yeah.
Which one you want?
Why don't matter.
Is this your proper identification or what?
How do you spell your name?
For about a year and a half.
Miss?
Who is it?
Pictures match.
Yeah, no pictures. So let me show you my
The
sister.
other day, it's in it.
How do you spell your name?
K-A-S-H.
K-A-S-8. Hold on.
K-A-S-H-E-K-A.
E-E-K-A?
Yes,
Tattoo
sir.
on her leg, don't you?
Yeah, I got a tattoo on my leg.
Let me see that tattoo on her leg.
I have a tattoo on my leg, but my sister, what do you mean?
On her
What
quad.
do you see a tattoo at?
Right there.
What is
Okay, so what do you mean you got to know? You just saying stuff, because I'm not the same person who's stealing.
Sit up.
Is you
People
cool?
don't have the experience.
Kashika, what's your last name?
L-O-N-G.
What's your middle name?
Tyjosia Shanae.
What?
Tyjosia Shanae.
You have two middle names?
Yes.
Is Shanae with a C or an S?
Is that French?
Is the Shanae with a C or an S?
Yes.
Miss Long, did you drive out here today?
My cousin told me.
What's your birthday again? 11/11?
Oh, we've got an ID.
Oh, yeah. Oh, okay.
What about it?
That's your sister.
Yeah.
That's
Let me see.
your ID? That's your
Yeah.
sister's ID?
Yeah.
That's your sister's
That's
ID?
my ID.
That's your sister's ID?
What are you talking about? Oh, I'm sorry.
I'm just testing it.
That's my ID.
Alright. ID was your fingerprint in.
On my kids. So y'all don't think that's me? Y'all don't even know if that's me on my ID, but y'all said I got 22
Hey, you changed
cases.
so much since that photo was taken. When was that photo taken?
Huh?
When was that photo taken?
2023.
So I look different?
Yeah, you do.
Y'all crazy. Y'all don't even know who. Trans, I'm finna go to jail. They told me they got 22 cases on me at this Target, and I told them like he could have been Shayla, but they asked all myself, it ain't no Shayla, you ain't got no twin. Like, bro, y'all don't even know what y'all talking about.
So stealing is just a family thing. That's just what y'all do. Cause you got caught today. And if you saying your sister, the other cases could be your sister. So is this just how y'all go to the family reunion? Hey, how's your year been? Oh, girl, it's been all right. Sis. Yeah, I did about 10 shoplifts. What? That's it? Oh my God, I did like 16. Is that what you saying? Is that how y'all bond?
All right, let's walk around.
She's on a homicide.
You did them shoplifts yourself.
She does, buddy. Are you,
Can I get a picture first?
They got
hey, let her get her picture.
They said I got 22 cases.
Hard over
I
you,
got a
bro.
picture.
Yep.
Our system.
No retail, nuh-uh.
Yeah, I got it.
No, baby, you don't even know what the damn picture look like. You talking about
It was a live picture. I can change it.
The woman was charged with the multiple cases of retail theft. Thanks for watching today.
Unbelievable. And she gonna argue as if, come on, man, it's you. Just either zip it or, just zip it. You know what I'm saying? Because arguing as if it ain't you. You already in handcuffs. You going to jail regardless. So you just look goofy, honestly. Yeah, the cops did a good job, man. Got her together. Hey, and that's all you can ask for. So 5 from me. The ShyGotEm Correctional Facility is now open, where we specialize in act right and getting them together. If you want to become an officer, check out the YouTube membership. If you want to be a sergeant or above, check out the Patreon. Your support helps the channel keep going, and I hope to see you in lineup.